Yeah, so they have no basement. It's a slab house. And I didn't want to put stations on the interior because they have a rabbit that they let run around.
Oh no.
But he said he would rather have stations inside. They're going to keep the rabbit in the pen and keep it closed up so we can at least put hopefully one or two inside the house. We're sure that you don't have rats going on in the house anymore, so that way we can then seal the house, make sure they're not coming back in. I'm gonna try and find areas of possible activity, entry points into the home through the foundation, anything like that, and best position the stations into an area where they're more likely to get rat activity from the exterior before they enter the home. Yeah.
Is that material coming out of it?
Looks as though that is likely the foam that they used on the interior to seal the hole, now being chewed and brought to the outside of the house.
Yep.
So we can count on the fact that they're coming in and out through there. So having a station right here by the burrows, not too far from the chimney, and then on the other side of the chimney where there's another entry point, we've got close enough bait to be able to get to wherever they're coming in and out of in this one area. A lot of activity right here. You got one station right here on this side of the house where you have that hole that goes into the foundation. You've got another one on the right side of your steps out that back door.
Yep.
Just real tight spot. Looks like it'd be a good spot to put one just for activity purposes. And then on the other side of your house, on either side of that chimney, there are holes, and there's also foam coming out from this side of the chimney where it looks like they chewed through whatever was stopping them from getting in, and that's now spilling out onto the ground. So we've got a station on either side of that, as well as burrows that are in your side yard there going into yet another hole into the foundation.
Okay.
So we've got stations covering everywhere where they're really active. We're going to be back in a week and keep following up with that until we make sure that the activity is done for you guys, and then we're going to go ahead and seal everything up for you, all right?
Okay.